So you eat organic and non-GMO food. Good. You obviously drink purified and perhaps alkaline water. Much better. You take very good care of yourself and your family's health. Bravo. But could there be a silent, invisible danger causing potential harm not just to you, but to your family, your loved ones? Sure, there could be. It's called the electromagnetic frequency EMF radiation. And it's one of the fastest growing health issues and concerns facing our society today. EMF radiation produced by modern technologies such as our cell phones, our tablets, our laptops, our Wi-Fi, and all the smart devices being produced today. This is an emerging health threat. And in case you are not aware, we are all guinea pigs in a giant experiment with many unknown consequences. People think ignorance is bliss. Follow me. Let's make the invisible visible to you. How electromagnetic waves might be destroying our lives and how you can find a way to address it. Now, we'll be using this patented technology called Emguarde, produced by Energy. But before we show you how Emguarde works, let's talk about how to detect the radiation in our space, because people don't get to detect it or measure it. They feel it's not harmful. This is what we call a radiation detector. We call this the RD900. If I turn this on, it will tell me the radiation frequency we're operating in. Now, according to the FCC, the safe zone is between 0 to 200 microwatts of power density. But as I put this on my laptop, and yet you are seeing over 3,000, reading over 3,000, telling you the electromagnetic frequency and noise emitted out of this is way out of range. It's over 10 times the recommended frequency. Perhaps you might want to take a look at the phone, and we're having at over 2,000 watts, over 2,000 microwatts of power density. This is not helpful for you and your family. Now, let's introduce to you Emguarde and how it works. Why this Emguarde comes on? You can see the beeping here stops. It goes to 0. What is happening is that the Emguarde is suppressing, is harmonizing the frequencies and bringing them to a safe space where you can operate without the harmful effect of radiation. In case you think this is just one detector, let's take you through another detector and see what is happening. So I turn off the Emguarde and I turn on what we call a badger. Suddenly you are seeing the electromagnetic noise, of which I can amplify. Look at the noise. Take a look at the spectrum. Okay, this is the frequency for the brain. It's telling you there is so much electromagnetic frequency and noise where we are operating. Now, in case you feel this is not still good enough, let's show you from another detector. Okay, this is the RTL SDRO. Take a look at the noise spectrum. Take a look. Very, very noisy, very, very loud. Telling you there is a lot of radiation here. So you see, this is very loud. This is still beeping, 2,000 plus. Okay, let me put it here. 2,000, 3,000 plus. Take a look at this. But now watch the wonders of Emguarde. Once Emguarde comes on, instantly look at the spectrum. The noise is down, it's going flat. Take a look at this, it's on 0. And you can see the harmonized frequency here. Put it on this, let me take it out so that you can see the noise. You can see the noise. Okay, I put this back on and you can see what is happening. So what does this say? It says to you that with your Emguarde, you can safely protect your family from the harmful effect of radiation. Now this is what we call this Energy 2.0. I want to encourage you and implore you, if you love yourself, if you love your family, please get them an Emguarde today. Protect them from the harmful effect of electromagnetic radiation. You will be glad you did. It's called Emguarde. Thank you very much.